Kapela Bakery is a well-known artisanal bakery and cafe in the Bejai area of Mangalore. It is highly regarded for its focus on premium European-style desserts and contemporary baked goods, making it a popular destination for those seeking high-quality cakes and pastries. Capella is particularly famous for its specialized cheesecake selection and bento cakes. Their most popular items include the burnt Basque cheesecake, lotus biscoff baked cheesecake, and Nutella cheesecake. They serve English and French style breakfast and a perfect place for brunch. Freshly baked goods like butter croissants, country sourdough loaves, and various macarons in flavors like blueberry and strawberry. The menu also features a variety of hot and cold beverages, including coffee and milkshakes, along with savory snacks like the ghee roast bun. Capella Bakery is an excellent choice for dessert enthusiasts looking for sophisticated flavors and a stylish setting in Mangalore. Albatross is a well-regarded patisserie and cafe in the Valencia of Mangalore, known for its focus on high-quality baked goods and a quiet, inviting atmosphere. The cafe specializes in a variety of desserts and savory snacks, with a strong emphasis on patisserie items and custom cakes. A selection of fresh pastries, muffins such as red velvet, and artisanal breads. They offers quick bites including chicken tikka rolls, chicken Szechuan rolls, and honey mustard rolls, including cold coffee, cappuccino, Irish coffee, and hot chocolate. It is a top choice in Mangalore if you are looking for premium cakes and pastries. Sizzler Ranch is a well-established restaurant in the Hampankatta area of Mangalore, highly regarded for its Western-style sizzling plates and continental cuisine. It provides a refined yet casual environment that works well for both celebratory dinners and relaxed afternoon meals. The menu is centered around hearty sizzlers, with a wide variety of meat, seafood, and vegetarian options. The chicken Italiano and chicken satellite are among the most raved about. It is miss. For those wanting variety, the mixed meat grill and mixed seafood grill are highly recommended. Popular bites include the barbecue chicken wings, crazy corn cheese balls, and jalapeno and mushroom cheese balls. To complement the meal, guests often choose the lychee crush or mint mojito. For dessert, the ranch delight is a staple recommendation. TLC Cafe, often referred to as TLC Art Cafe, is a unique destination in Mangalore that blends artisanal coffee with a serene, artistic environment. Located near the CFAL campus, it is widely considered a hidden gem for those seeking a more intellectual and tranquil atmosphere than a typical city cafe. A must-try for coffee purists is their V60 pour-over, a manual brew that highlights delicate floral and nutty notes. Other favorites include the hazelnut cappuccino and various international coffee blends. They are famous for their authentic sourdough pizzas. The pepperoni pizza and roasted chicken pizza are top-rated choices. TLC is perfect for those who appreciate the craft of coffee and a slow, meaningful dining experience in an aesthetically beautiful setting. Diesel Cafe is a popular, long-standing spot in Mangalore's Balmatta area, known for its extensive continental menu and lively atmosphere. It is frequently cited as one of the top locations in the city for a high-quality, Western-style brunch, or the menu is diverse, spanning American and Italian cuisines with a focus on hearty comfort food and creative beverages. Known for its English breakfast, various omelets, and a wide selection of waffles and pancakes, including the popular nut waffle. Highlights include the chicken schnitzel, lasagna amore, and unique dishes like Angry Birds or Casablanca chicken. Their thin crust pizzas and pastas are also highly recommended. A must-try item is their hot chocolate. They also serve a range of coffees, including mushroom cappuccinos, and are one of the few cafes in the area that also serves alcohol and cocktails. The cafe is well regarded for its attentive service, though it can get quite busy during peak hours, particularly on weekends.